Yeah, welcome back. We're going to continue on with our temporary fixes talk. Zip ties don't fix machines. Zip ties are one of the most overused fixes in a shop. Holding wires, keeping guards in place, keeping parts from moving, and everyone says the same thing. It works. Yeah, for now. But here's the truth. Zip ties don't fix machines. They hide problems. Because whatever needed that zip tie was already broken. And instead of fixing it, someone found a way to work around it. But here's what happens next. It fails again. Or worse, it causes something else to fail. Because now the machine isn't running the way it was designed. And when equipment doesn't run right, you get inconsistency. You get downtime. And sometimes, unfortunately, you get injuries. So the next time you see a zip tie holding something important together, ask yourself, what actually is broken here? Because that's the problem that needs to be fixed. So as always, like, follow, share, subscribe. Watch these videos all the way through, please. Because you never know, I might do something crazy at the end of one. Not so far, but I might. I'll see you in the next one.